My subjects. In school, I study many subjects. Each subject teaches me something new. I enjoy some subjects more than others. Let me tell you about the subjects I like the most. First, I want to talk about English. English is my favorite subject. I love reading stories and books. My teacher encourages us to read different types of literature. We read fiction, nonfiction, and poetry. Each story takes me to a new world. I also enjoy writing. My teacher helps us improve our writing skills. I like to write short stories and essays. Writing allows me to express my thoughts and feelings. English is fun because it helps me communicate better. Next is math. Math is another important subject. At first, I found it challenging, but my teacher explains everything clearly. She makes sure we understand the concepts. We learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. As we progress, we study more complex topics like fractions and decimals. I enjoy solving problems. It feels satisfying to get the right answer. Math teaches us to think logically and critically. Science is another subject I find interesting. In science class, we explore the world around us. We learn about plants, animals, and the environment. We also study the human body. It is fascinating to understand how our bodies work. My teacher conducts experiments that make learning fun. We mix chemicals and watch reactions. These hands-on activities help us remember what we learn. Science encourages curiosity and exploration. History is a subject that teaches us about the past. I enjoy learning about different cultures and events. History helps us understand how the world has changed. We study important figures and their contributions. My teacher tells us stories that make history come alive. I find it interesting to learn about ancient civilizations. It is amazing to see how people lived long ago. Another subject I like is geography. Geography helps us understand our planet. We study maps and learn about different countries. We explore their cultures, climates, and landscapes. It is exciting to learn about new places. I enjoy identifying countries and their capitals. Geography teaches us to appreciate the diversity of our world. I hope to travel to different countries one day. Art is one of my favorite subjects as well. I love being creative. In art class, we paint, draw, and create projects. My teacher encourages us to express ourselves. I enjoy experimenting with colors and materials. Art allows me to relax and have fun. I find joy in creating something from my imagination. I believe art is an essential part of education. Physical education, PE, is another important subject. In PE, we learn about health and fitness. We play different sports like soccer, basketball, and volleyball. I enjoy being active and playing with my classmates. PE teaches us the importance of teamwork and cooperation. It also helps us stay healthy. I feel energized after each class. Music is a subject I enjoy, too. In music class, we learn about different instruments and styles of music. We sing songs and sometimes play instruments. Music brings joy to my life. I love listening to different genres. My teacher teaches us about famous musicians and composers. Music is a way to express emotions. It helps us connect with others. I also study computer science. This subject is becoming more important in our world. In computer class, we learn how to use technology. We learn about coding and how to create programs. It is exciting to see what we can make with computers. Technology is a big part of our lives. I want to learn more about it. Each subject has its challenges and rewards. I enjoy the variety of what I learn in school. Some subjects require more effort, but that is okay. My teachers are always there to help. They encourage us to ask questions and seek help when needed. I appreciate their support. Sometimes I struggle with some subjects. For example, I find math tricky at times. There are days when I do not understand a concept, but I know I can ask my teacher for help. She is always patient and willing to explain things again. This makes me feel comfortable asking questions. It is important to ask for help when we need it. I believe each subject teaches valuable skills. They help us become well-rounded individuals. For example, English improves our communication skills. Math teaches problem solving. Science encourages critical thinking. History helps us understand the past. Geography makes us aware of our world. Art and music foster creativity. PE teaches us the importance of health and fitness. Computer science prepares us for the future. In conclusion, I enjoy studying various subjects in school. Each subject is unique and valuable. They help me learn new things and develop skills. I am grateful for my teachers who guide me along the way. I hope to continue exploring these subjects as I grow. Education is a journey, and I am excited about what lies ahead.